If you want to know how you can see the pictures in messages on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Messages app, then select any contact. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon of your contact. Now on this screen, you will find the option of photos. Just tap on it. Now over here, you will find all the photos which have been shared with you by the selected contact. But if you cannot find the photos section over here, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID, and over here, just tap on iCloud. In front of Save to iCloud, just tap on See All. Now over here, just tap on iCloud Photos, and make sure you enable Sync this iPhone. Now after you sync all the photos from your iCloud to your iPhone, then just go back and tap on Messages in iCloud. Now from here, just make sure you enable Use on this iPhone. And after you enable Use on this iPhone, just tap on Sync Now. Now the syncing process can take from a few hours to a few days, depending on how much data you have saved in your iCloud. Just keep checking regularly for the syncing not to stop. Now after 2 to 3 days, you will sync all your data from your iCloud to your iPhone. Now after that, if you go to Messages, then tap on the profile icon of the selected contact, you will find the Photos section in the Messages app. Now if the Photos section did not appear, then go back to the main page of the Messages app. Then in the search bar, just search the name of the contact. For an example, I will search Mark. Now over here, if you scroll down, under the Photos section, you will find all the photos which have been shared with you by the selected contact. Now if you tap on See All, you will be able to see all the photos which have been shared with you. Now if this did not work, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on General, then tap on Software Updates. And from here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And after you do that, then go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. After you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can see all pictures in messages on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.